Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gummy candy using Agar Agar. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need Agar Agar powder, your favorite fruit juice, and a sweetener like sugar or maple syrup. For a good firm gummy, aim for about 2 tablespoons of Agar Agar powder per 2 cups of liquid. Selecting a juice with a vibrant flavor will really make your gummies pop, ensuring a tasty treat. Now let's get cooking. In a saucepan, combine your Agar Agar powder with the cold fruit juice. Whisk it well to ensure there are no lumps. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium heat, stirring constantly for at least 2 minutes. This step is crucial for activating the Agar Agar. Once boiled, remove from heat and stir in your sweetener and any additional flavorings. With your mixture ready, it's time to mold your gummies. Carefully pour the hot liquid into your chosen silicone molds or a shallow, heat-safe dish. The Agar Agar sets quickly, even at room temperature, but for best results, transfer them to the refrigerator. Chill for at least 30 minutes until they are completely firm. Then, simply unmold or cut into your desired shapes. Once your delicious Agar Agar gummies are ready, proper storage is key to keeping them fresh. Place them in an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. They will maintain their best texture and flavor for up to 7 days. Enjoy your homemade treats. And speaking of upgrades, why not upgrade your home cleaning? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.